Should throw it in behind there now. Alright. It's still not. I thought that might work, but I guess it didn't. Okay, that's fine. Alright. Just stop attacking me and die already. There you go. Get the item. Okay, nothing. Charisma, parry chance. That's our first parry chance. So parry chance right here. A value of 14 coming in. So parry chance 14. Mana regeneration of 11. So it's... Is that working? Mana regeneration amount, or... I'm trying to think, it would that... The parry chance is increasing armor? Oh no, armor's on the booth. I gotta remember that items have armor. It's funny. Parry chance and charisma. Why are you... That had different values a second ago, I swear. It is working though. Charisma and parry chance are working. Because you take that off, you get a value of 5 on charisma. That's right. Yeah, okay. Mana regeneration, move speed. So move speed's 15. That's good. And I'm just cruising now. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom. So definitely gonna have to, that's on the list though, so that we're not affecting that move speed too much. Mana regeneration. Does looks like it has a value of 16. And the move speed change. Put this in here. So I should be going super slow. And then we put this on. We should be actually doing it. And then, yeah. Boom. So the move speed change is working. I'm just not sure if that 100% the right value. Okay. So far, so good. We only have like 5 things, 6 things. Not bad. Still haven't gone through all the stats, of course. And this character is kind of currently melee. So some of the stats, I might need to switch it to, is caster to get some of the other values on the items. So we can check out some of the spell effects and some of that other different stuff. We got destruction. Nice. Throw that weapon on first. Destruction and damage reflection. So destruction right here. Throw that on. Destruction of 10. I agree with that. And damage reflection of 16. 16 being added and removed. That's fine. And then we go back to the other one here. Destruction being added and removed. Perfect. What do we got? Solar radiation resistance and move speed. I've already done those though. Mana and atmospheric pressure resist. We'll look at mana. I think I did mana already though. So mana, it is getting the increase of 10 mana. Atmospheric pressure resist of 6, bringing it to 11, 5, and 100. Okay, good there. Nothing wrong with those stats. Try again. So it would be regeneration amount. I think would be one of the ones that we need to get. Trying to think here. Definitely getting schmucked by the guys anyways. Parry chance strength and damage reflection. So this is the first time we got strength. Oh, wrong button. There we go. Fat fingered it. So this is the first time we have strength. I'm going to put this on. So strength of 12, correct. Which does affect melee damage and... yeah, I guess just melee damage. Armor of the actual item is adding the armor. We are getting the 22 damage reflection, going back to 0. Parry chance, 9 going back to 0. And strength going from 5 to 12. Perfect, okay. Nothing wrong with those values. And that's all we got for that run. Alright. Must be a sorting layer with the bar. Oops, excuse me. Oops, excuse me again. Damage reflection, mana regeneration. So we did check those work. Mana regeneration, heat resistance. Make sure that it is actually getting heat. Good, good. Okay. Oh, we gotta look at that value, make sure it's... So 17 is 12, 5, 17, 5, 17, 5, 17, 5. Okay, good. Health regeneration 12, and so this is the one that I was saying I need to look at. So health regeneration is this value, and this is what the amount that is regenerated on the regeneration interval. So yeah, we'll put the amulet on there. We are getting the wind resistance, and we are getting the health regeneration. Take it off, we go back to 5 and 5. Put back on, okay, good. So those are good. Health regeneration should allow for a higher health amount. It should also do a check, so when it regens, it's taking 12, so it's adding that 17 to the 100, but it's taking it off to bring it back to a value of 100. That's something we'll have to... The scrolling combat text does not need the context of reduction of current health. Yeah, because we don't want to see the minus 12 every once in a while if we're at 100. We don't want to see that pop up at all. 5 from the environment, that's fine. Then we're adding the 12, the 17, which gives us plus 12 over our health amount, and it is rounding it. It's just the combat text is dealing with that. We don't want it. Mana regeneration, heat resistance. Yeah, we're good with all those stats. Okay. Try again. Still some stats we haven't gotten. There we go. They're smacking me pretty good anyways. Alright, what we got here? Nothing, nothing. Strength we've already done. Mana leech and move speed. Again, mana leech is hidden underneath here, so it's a little hard to see. But move speed and charisma. So charisma, we got some run speed, so my character is moving faster. Run speed is being taken off. And mana leech, I can't see anything underneath there, damn it. Alright, well that's all those stats. Let's just spell bar, we got a grid layout group for hotbar UI control. No, I don't think that's gonna help me. That's definitely, this static inventory display definitely needs some work because it's looking for player reference of a scriptable object item, which is something that I do need to get rid of. So this definitely needs some work. The spell bar needs some work. Put that on the list here too. Spell bar needs to work again. Because some of the values we have for the casters and their spell related activity, let's just, go back in here. Okay. It's still going to be covered up, but, oh, we're going to do focused. Go. Must have to bring it right up to the top of the hierarchy then. So inventory main panel spell bar. Which item image should be like our top. Yeah, I'm not sure why that's. We don't have any sorting layer on that one. So bars slots, 6 mounts. Yeah, I'm not seeing. The answer on that one. What about this guy? No. Okay. Alright, we'll bring this way up to the top there and see what happens on that. Yeah, there we go. We got it up on top of there now. Nice. Okay. So we're going to go back to full screen. Just because it's a lot more fun to actually make it look like a game instead of just a small little tiny ass window. There we go. And bam, you're toast. It is actually affecting that image on top of the character and showing its values. So. Block chance, mana regeneration. We've done. We'll look a little closer at that. Block chance of 14. Good. Mana regeneration value of 18. Nothing wrong with that. That's working. Okay. Parry chance and all resists. I think we've done both of them. We'll put them on. There's all the resists and parry chance of 9. Correct and correct. They are withdrawing fine. Good, good. So that's those. Alright, let's see if we can get a new set of. So. Yeah, we can always. Maybe I should. It'll give us a different set of items and different set of. This I think is mostly melee items that are being created, and the script does differentiate between a melee character and a caster character. So I might need to put it into caster. Yeah. Play focused. I'm gonna switch the character when she comes in here. Close game windows UI. So we want to go down here, and there's one of these. Character movement. Tag handler. Inventories, inventory interactor, just run speed, spell ability system, player spell holder scripts, damage texts, unhelpful, stat scrolling text. That one definitely needs a lot of work. It's all run on scriptable objects still. network transform, network rigid body, inventory holder, character defeat. There's definitely, that needs some work too. Interact inputs, player inventory holder. I thought there was like, it is caster. Maybe it's on the item itself. It drops. I thought it would be looking at the actual player for a is caster bool value. Tidally locked, or the tidally locked, and metalocity value are the only false. Where did I? There should be. Player inventory interact inputs. Character defeat, first stash holder. Inventory holder. One of these has a bool value where it is caster. Maybe character stats. It's going to be right up at the very top if it is. Character movements. There should be a character stats that is dead. I could have swore I had a bool is caster. Let me just look at this again here. Is dead. Local client variables, regen interval. And no. Defeat timer. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. I could have swore maybe it's the actual item that shows that it's. Alright, we'll kill some things. We'll try and leave the items on the ground. We'll take a closer look at the items, see if it has his caster value on there. Well, these guys are pushing me around hard. You can't even see them move too, that's the weird part. Come on. Just take him out already. There we go. Oh no, there's still another one there. Okay. So world template scene. Enemy spawner, spawn point, environment manager. Oh, so this must be the actual items here. Sphere. Yeah, so we have random itemizer being the one that has the bool variable. Okay. Is caster. So we're getting caster stats now. We're not. Okay, let's try this here. See if we get some different stats, anyways. Move speed, regeneration interval, wind resistance, EMP, regen interval. They're not much different. Atmospheric pressures is 29. Look at that. Some of those values are getting inflated too high. I'm not sure why. Wind resistance, regeneration interval. of 11 brings it down to 5. Correct. Wind resistance and move speed goes to 11. Yeah, we'll have to do a check on the move speed. Change values will float. So there's atmospheric pressure is not looking at on value changed. Does not need the context of reduction of current heal plus the thing wind resistance, atmospheric EMP, regeneration intervals. Wonder if that would actually bring us down again. I don't think it would because I'm not actually accounting for the part value, 9 being a part of 10, which is actually a value of 1. So this probably will not drop the regeneration interval any further. No, it doesn't. Really close. If this had a value of 10 on it, you'd really, yeah, we do have that on the list to look at the regeneration interval. Okay. Alright, what else we got on these stats here? Okay. Alright. Me something good. Something good, something good. Dodge, heat resistance, melee damage, attack speed, move speed. That's my first attack speed. So attack speed of 4 should be increased to 5. Because attack speed is now, attack speed might not even work, or it's moving it up. Attack speed of 9. Oh, let's just put it on. So it is increasing my attack speed, but I don't think that is completely hooked up in there. There we go, 22.9. Oh, we're getting it out. We're not. There is no reduction on attack speed when I take it off. It's just adding to it again and again and again and again. Okay, so attack speed. Attack speed not taking off proper amounts. Okay. Yeah, some of this spell stuff we just haven't got yet, so. Attack speed, move speed, alright. I'll try again, see what it. We've gotten through most of the stats now. So far, attack speed's the only one that's been weird. There we go. Okay, parry chance, attack speed, mana leech. There we go. It's the first time we can actually look at the mana leech value. So right down here, should add to 9. Correct. And we have attack speed being 16, which is not being taken off when it removes, but the mana leech is, so attack speed's still busted, but mana leech is good. Energy shield, that's the first energy shield we got. Mana regeneration interval. So that will add 9 to mana regeneration, and regeneration interval might be dropped. No, it won't be dropped. It'll still remain at 6. Which is right. Regeneration energy shield. 114 and 114. So that works. Take it off. We get back to 100. Good. Energy shield. Health mana max values unchanged, and energy shield. So attack speed is not withdrawing that old amount properly. It's so weird that it's doing that. Alright. Come on. Give me something good. Ones we need actually are weapons. Attack speed, charisma, solar radiation resistance, block chance, damage reflection. Guess we can look at the block chance, make sure that that is working. Block chance of 9. Take it off, it goes back to 0. Perfect, perfect. Nothing wrong with that. Strength, all stats, damage reflection, attack speed again. Alright, everything's good there. Alright. And we do have some of the code hooked up. Like, for example, if I had parry or solar radiation resist or whatever, or parry or dodge, parry, dodge, and armor values are the three that are, excuse me, parry, dodge, block value, damage reflection, then armor to reduce the value of the hit that's coming in. Mana regeneration, I don't know that we've done that one. So mana regeneration of 5. So it should go to 13. Correct. Move speed from 3 to 11. Correct. Atmospheric pressure is of 15 to 20. Correct. And mana 18. Mana back down. That's back down. Health regeneration back down. And what was the other one? There's another one on there. Oh, atmospheric pressure. Mana regeneration, move speed, and mana. Mana regeneration, move speed. Okay, nothing wrong with that. Health regeneration, put the chest on. So we do have a health regeneration value of 12 being added to the 5 is 17, correct. Nothing wrong there, okay. So we have item data being wrong, health and mac values checks, offhand not getting a block value. The weird thing is I'm actually adding a block value to the object, it's just not actually arriving there. Maybe it's get and set value that I don't have properly, like I have, you know, like a private set or something that is possibly not letting me set that value. Because I should be getting block chance value on items or on all the shields that are dropped. And I haven't seen it once. Alright. Take you out. Okay. Energy shield mana. EMP resistance. Got a good value on that one. Wind resistance, mana regeneration. We've done all these stats before. Try again. So cast speed or attack speed was the one that's being all funky on me. Go and there. Nothing. Mana regeneration, solar radiation resistance, move speed, wind resistance. So we've kind of gone through a lot of them. This one's good, 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 good. Run speed's good. Parry chance is good. Dodge chance is good. Lock chance is good. Health regeneration is good. We're missing some of the spell critical stuff. Mana regeneration is good. Again, spell, spell, spell. So we're going to have to really concentrate on maybe getting my spells working here. On those. So health, mana working, melee damage working, armor working, attack range. Do we have attack range as a stat? Okay, well, we'll have to look at that one. That's one we haven't run into yet, is attack range. Maybe it's on a weapon. Attack speed is working, but it's not. Regeneration working. Cast speed, not sure. Damage reflection working. Melee critical chance, melee critical damage. Those haven't shown up either. Or melee hit chance, none of that has shown up either. Mana leech, we do have. Spell damage, we haven't seen yet either. Attack speed, wind resistance. To me, those values that I'm looking for are on weapons. So you need a weapon to drop in order to get some of those spell stats. Alright, take you out. And the enemies are misbehaving too because they're, I don't know if they're looking at something wrong. They're supposed to be looking at the camera, and the camera that I'm looking through on here towards the characters should be what they're looking at. But they seem to notice that it's on the player, and they're looking at the player rather than they are looking at the camera of that player. I know the player has the camera, but it should be facing me, not there. Maybe it's a wrong reference on the camera. We'll put that on here. Camera reference of enemy not showing or not rotating to show player. Rotating to show player. And that is likely a wrong camera reference. Okay. Got nothing, nothing. Dodge 9 cold resistance. EMP heat resistance. We got those already. Okay, and dead. Did get a really good jump there. Let's see what we got. As far as over 100 frames per second, not bad, not bad. Not really seeing any major drop. Oh, we did get below 93. I'm really happy with the amount that the frames per second is doing right now. Because with four, it was staying with 4 enemies on the screen. It was staying above 100 frames per second. Oh. Small dip. Ooh, to 28. Something slowed up there. Under thread, 5.7 batches, 67 tries, averts. 442.3k tries. Holy. Set pass called 43. Shadowcaster 0. Visible skin meshes 7. Animation components playing. Animation and components playing would be 1. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. Oh, down to 0.1. Like 1 frame per second on that. So there is a delay in that move. I'm constantly, so there is a major delay on that movement. Anyways, let's see what we got for stats. Move speed, solar radiation resistance, energy shield, all stats, health regeneration, and parry chance. We did parry chance, didn't we? Parry chance, and health regeneration, and armor of 84 from 25 would be 109, correct? Stats, good there, good there. Okay, I think we've gone through most of it. I'm not sure why that spell stuff isn't working. So weird. Alright, let's see what we've got here. Give me some spell something. Spell critical chance, melee critical chance, hit chance, critical damage, you know, all that stuff. Give me those stats. Must be some sort of check that's preventing them from coming through. Attack speed, health, mana regeneration. More mana regeneration. Yeah, it's like they're being blocked. Let's put that on my list as well. Spell stats on gear is looking blocked or not showing. Okay. I think we should probably just start tackling what we have found. See if we can't get it working a little bit better.